A very common question that we receive from students is whether they can take a class that's required for their degree from another institution and transfer it to the U of A. And the short answer is yes, you can. The website here, registrar.arizona.edu/transfer credit, has all of the information that you will need in order to navigate a transfer process. Some questions for consideration are: have you already taken the course? Or are you considering taking a course and need a pre-approval? You want to be sure that the class that you're taking at another institution is going to align with the requirement at the U of A, or it will not apply. And you don't want to spend money taking a class only to find out later that it doesn't meet the requirement. So it's possible that you do need a pre-approval. Arizona institutions have articulation rules already established for many of the courses. So for instance, we get the question, can I take my physics class at Pima? We say, yes, you can. And you can actually go into the course equivalency guide, look up Pima Community College, look for the physics course listings, and you can see how each course may transfer for credit to the University of Arizona. We have the same type of articulation rules established for many courses that transfer from out-of-state colleges. The transfer credit guide is also located at this website. As long as you receive a C grade or better in the course that you take at another institution, the credit will likely transfer to the university as long as it is a course that is transferable for credit. There are some vocational classes and experiential learning classes that are often offered at other institutions that don't transfer to the university for credit. But if we're talking about math courses, physics courses, chemistry, and things like that, then in most cases, those will receive credit. It's just a matter of how they align with U of A requirements. That's the question. So as long as you receive a C or better and the course is transferable, then you can get those units transferred to the U of A. You'll have to order an official transcript from the school that you attended and have that sent to the University of Arizona. And that credit will then be input into your UAccess Student Center record. At that time, we'll be able to determine if it is a direct equivalent or if we need to have an evaluation process in order to apply it to your degree requirements. So you will have to verify that the credit is in UAccess and whether it is a direct articulation or it needs evaluation by the registrar. If the course is a prerequisite for a University of Arizona course, then you may have to get approval or manual enrollment by the department that offers the course once you show that you have met the requirement of the prerequisite or that you're currently enrolled. So each department has their own rules for whether they will allow a student to be enrolled in this at the next level of class while that prerequisite is either in process or has been completed and we're waiting on the transcript. So you may be asked for an unofficial transcript to show that you're enrolled or that you've completed the course. It just hasn't been officially input into your record. So if you have questions about transfer credit, the first place to go to is this website, registrar.arizona.edu/transfer credit. Go through the Arizona community colleges and Arizona universities to look for articulation rules. If it's out of state, then go to the course equivalency guide for out of state or the transfer guide. Look up your school, look up the course. If you don't see your course there, go ahead and ask your advisor. They might be able to help you navigate a little bit further in finding an equivalent course.